Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle kite. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a lightweight fabric like ripstop nylon, which is excellent for catching the wind. For the frame, thin wooden dowels or even broomsticks work perfectly. Don't forget strong string for your bridle and flying line, plus some reliable tape or glue to secure everything. A good pair of scissors, a ruler, and a marker will help you achieve precise cuts and measurements for your circular design. Now, let's build the circular frame for your kite. Begin by cutting your fabric into a large, perfect circle, perhaps 30 inches in diameter. Next, create a central crossbar by joining two dowels, one 24 inches long and the other 20 inches, forming a T-shape. Securely attach additional flexible dowels around the perimeter to define the kite's circular shape. Remember, strong and symmetrical connections are key for a stable and enjoyable flight. With your frame ready, it's time to attach the sail. Carefully secure your circular fabric to the dowel frame using strong tape or glue, ensuring it's taut and evenly stretched. Next, we'll set up the bridle, which is crucial for flight. A 3-point bridle system offers excellent balance. Attach bridle lines to the top, bottom, and center of your kite, then connect these to your main flying line. This setup helps the kite catch the wind at the correct angle. Almost ready for takeoff. Add a decorative tail, about 4 or 5 feet long, to the bottom of your kite. This helps with stability and looks fantastic. Before launching, double-check all connections and ensure your bridle lines are completely free of tangles. Find an open area with a gentle breeze, ideally between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Hold your kite up, let the wind catch it, and slowly release the flying line as it ascends. Enjoy watching your handmade circle kite soar.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.